Hey everyone, 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000 is here, bringing a bold design, enhanced performance, and cutting-edge technology to the streetfighter category. Suzuki has refined this powerful machine to offer an even better balance of aggression and control, making it an ideal choice for riders who crave high performance with everyday usability. This latest model builds on the legacy of the GSX-S series, delivering a thrilling riding experience while maintaining reliability and comfort. At first glance, the aggressive styling of the 2025 GSX-S1000 immediately stands out. The sharp, angular bodywork, redesigned LED headlight assembly, and muscular fuel tank give the bike a menacing street presence. The aerodynamic enhancements not only improve its looks but also contribute to better high-speed stability. Suzuki has paid close attention to rider ergonomics, ensuring a comfortable yet sporty riding posture that allows for both spirited riding and long-distance touring. Powering the GSX-S1000 is a refined 999cc inline-4 engine, derived from the legendary GSX-R Superbike lineage. This engine delivers an impressive power output, making it one of the most potent motorcycles in its class. Suzuki has fine-tuned the fuel injection and throttle response, resulting in smoother acceleration and improved low-end torque. Whether cruising on the highway or carving through tight corners, the GSX-S1000 offers a thrilling yet manageable ride. The bike's revised exhaust system ensures compliance with the latest emission norms while maintaining the signature Suzuki exhaust note that enthusiasts love. Handling has always been a strong point of the GSX-S1000, and the 2025 model takes it a step further. The lightweight aluminum chassis, coupled with fully adjustable suspension, provides a perfect balance of agility and stability. The bike feels planted in corners, offering confidence-inspiring feedback to the rider. The wide handlebars and refined ergonomics make maneuvering through city traffic effortless while maintaining stability at high speeds. The suspension setup has been tuned to absorb road imperfections effectively, ensuring a comfortable ride even on rough roads. Suzuki has equipped the 2025 GSX-S1000 with an advanced electronics package to enhance safety and performance. The ride-by-wire throttle system allows precise control, while multiple riding modes enable riders to tailor the bike's behavior to their preference. The traction control system, cornering abs, and quick shifter make the bike not only exciting to ride but also safer, even for less experienced riders. The updated TFT instrument cluster provides clear and detailed information, including real-time fuel consumption, gear position, and ride mode selection. Bluetooth connectivity further enhances the riding experience by allowing smartphone pairing for notifications and navigation. Braking performance on the GSX-S1000 is top-notch, with dual front disc brakes paired with Brembo calipers ensuring strong stopping power. The braking system is complemented by an advanced ABS setup, providing controlled deceleration in various road conditions. The bike's lightweight wheels and high-performance tires contribute to its exceptional grip and handling characteristics. Fuel efficiency might not be the primary concern for a liter-class naked bike, but Suzuki has managed to improve it slightly without compromising performance. The improved engine tuning and aerodynamic refinements contribute to better fuel economy, making the GSX-S1000 more practical for daily riding and long tours. Overall, the 2025 Suzuki GSX-S1000 is a remarkable upgrade, combining raw power with modern features and enhanced rideability. It continues to be an excellent option for riders who want a high-performance naked bike that is thrilling on open roads yet manageable for daily use. With its striking design, advanced electronics, and refined mechanics, the GSX-S1000 remains a top contender in the liter-class streetfighter segment, offering the perfect blend of excitement, comfort, and reliability.